This is a quick look at Fedora 39, which brings new updates and looks excellent. In this video, I will show you the top features of the new Fedora 39. Let's start with the latest GNOME. Fedora 39 offers the latest stock GNOME desktop experience featuring GNOME 45. You will notice some UI changes, including the new dynamic workspace indicator located in the top left corner. Many applications in GNOME 45 use the new user interface widgets featured in libadwaita 1.4. This gives them a beautiful two-tone design with sidebars extending to the full height of the window. So default applications like Settings, Calendar, File Manager, and more have received modern and refreshing updates. Inside the About page of the settings, there is a new pop-up called System Details that provides more information about the hardware and software. Privacy is the core concern in Linux distributions like Fedora. GNOME 45 brings a revamped privacy section that gives you more control over devices and systems. For example, you can see the list of applications using microphone and camera permissions and more. Fedora 39 introduces minor changes to the bash prompt. The all-new color bash prompt offers a more visually appealing and user-friendly experience. There's also a new keyboard shortcut. You can use the Super plus S key combination to open and close the Quick Settings menu. Fedora 39 comes with a new default image viewer application internally known as Loop. It's fast and clean, making it a great way to quickly view images. Now, flipping from one image to the next is smooth and seamless. The new image viewer is fully adaptive and supports mobile form factors. You can easily use gestures on a touchpad or touchscreen. Two-finger swipes navigate backward and forwards. Search performance has been a significant focus in GNOME 45. These enhancements apply to a range of applications including software, characters, clocks, files, and calculator. Together, these changes result in faster search functionality and reduced resource usage, which can be seen in both individual application and in-system search. Fedora 39 ships with the new Linux kernel version 6.5, which brings numerous new features and improvements. This kernel offers better performance on modern AMD laptops, enabling FreeSync by default and adding support for Wi-Fi 7, among other improvements. Now, other notable features include performance refinements. Compared to Fedora 38, you will notice a smoother desktop performance. A camera usage indicator appears when accessing a camera via Pipewire. This joins the microphone, screencast, and screen recording indicators. Now, along with that, it brings new package updates and improvements to the DNF package manager, providing faster download speeds. Overall, I would say Fedora 39 with GNOME 45 offers the best GNOME desktop experience. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching my video. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.